Should we drive off again? What do you reckon? Yeah? Ready? She comes. No,
So this is campsite number 2, camping Les Lacs d'Orient. It's about half an hour's drive from Troyes, so it's a really good location. There's Ben and the gang. We're just getting ready to leave, but I thought I'd do a little tour around this one, just in case anybody is planning on holidaying in France, in this region. It'll give you a good idea of a place to stay. So it's a really family friendly site. It has 4 parks. One of them is newly built. It's like a pirate ship theme. Stick a picture on here. The other 3 are a bit smaller. It's got 2 swimming pools. Oh, actually it's got 3 swimming pools, 1 indoor swimming pool, 2 outdoor swimming pools, 2 water slides for the older children, and a smaller one for the littler ones, like my Brie. Here's the facilities. I'll just check no one's in. Right, walk in with the camera. But absolutely huge, really clean. And beside the showers, really spacious, loads of room. We'll go out this way. So it's a pretty big site, but it's not overcrowded. There's plenty of space. The pitches are really spacious. Electric hookups with water for each pitch, and then you've got the tenting part. They also do little cabins as well over there. Bonjour. It has a huge bouncy castle. Now the bouncy castle is something that you don't find in the UK caravan sites. So this was a huge win for the kids. There we go. And now I'll take you over to the swimming pool, but that's one of the other parks over there. It's more of a climbing frame than anything else. So there's the restaurant over there. It does things like burgers, pizzas, all that kind of stuff. Not your typical French cuisine, but nice food. Animation. And here's the water park. So, I'll get it over there a bit. There we go. So you can see it. It's the water park, and as I said, 2 big slides, and then you've got this one for the little people. They've also got a basketball court. Turn this round again. And I do believe in the height of the season they have live music playing there. The bar and restaurant. And up here we've got some games. This is the way to the indoor pool. So you actually take your shoes off and everything there before you go in. You've got a laundry room, 2 decent sized washing machines and a dryer. They're €5 each. Local shop. And the indoor swimming pool. Beautiful location. And watch this guy's tyre. Watch the pedestrian rigid. Spoke.
Le lac d'Orient.
How do you say it?
Le lac d'Orient.
Ben says I say everything in French, spoken like a true Brit.
This is everything in French spoken like a Cockney. Le lac d'Orient.
That's not a Cockney, that was a Yorkie.
Oh, alright, Yorkie then, sorry. Le lac d'Orient.
Anyway, enough of him. This is campsite number 2. Camplin, Le Lac d'Orient. Camplin,